The worst thing that can happen to a child when they don't have dreams and they don't hope for a better life, or they don't want to live, and the Deimantės story is one of many stories that Save the Children we hear every single day.
Gal todėl, kad aš pati neturėjau mamos ir tai man, kai buvo 15 metų, mane 2 metų paliko ir išvažiavo, nes labai daug gėrė. Prancūzijoje gyveno su kito tikėjimo priėjimu, susituokus jinai. Tik tai ta prasme, kad mama viena. Žinokit, kaip svetimas žmogus.
In Lithuania, we're still facing a lot of issues with the children. Kids come to a daycare center from so-called social risk families that they are, usually what they face is violence, parents that do not have jobs, that they have issues with alcohol. But then on the other hand, I know how much we can help, and Save the Children, our aim is to make our best that every single child lives in a family. So a daycare center is a place where a child is treated as a human being.
Western Union gives a one paid day for all the employees to go and volunteer. The idea is to make connection with the children that you are going to spend the day with.
Every one of us wants to be accepted and like amongst their friends, and the feel you get when you go into this environment where everyone's accepted, that's what drives you to volunteer. Western Union just gave an opportunity and you just have to take it.
Western Union for us is enormously important, and not only because of the money. I think it's the easier way just to give a sack of money and say, here you are, and do whatever, but they get involved enthusiastically and so emotionally, and they do mean it.
Tas, pranašumo viskas. Tai išmokom higienos, kaip padengti stalą. Šiaip anksčiau tai su dienos centro mokytoja viskas geriau tapo su mokytoja bendrauti, su mūsų mokytoja. Nieko, tai su jais padėdavau kartais pamokas ruošti, žaisdavom. Aš aišku su jais žaisdavau. Tetė ir brolių neišvažiuojam niekur, nes neturim tų tokių pajamų. O čia buvo tai, kad išvažiavom kažkur, pamatėm kažką naujo. Jo, priglausti, bet ne prie to, kad ten prisiglaust. Turiu meni, kad ta šiluma vis tiek jie tokia suteikia. Tas, kad ir pasisėdėjimas, kad kiekvienas pažaidimas su vaiku.
Western Union volunteers, they come and they tell their own stories.
I believe that we are giving them perspective of better life, like what they can achieve by being a good person, giving back to the communities, and thinking not only about yourself but others as well.
There are no miracles here. You have to be with that child every single day, to see that hope in their eyes again, or to make them dream.
Turiu meni, kad sukursiu šeimą. Turiu meni, kad negersiu, nepaliksiu. Kad turiu meni, kad atstosiu šeimą, mamą.